How are you?
Did it look obvious?
Well, you'll feel better soon.
Oh, shit.
All right, this is a big boy.
So then I closed the door to go back around. I was like, oh, fuck, man, everything's still inside.
So do you think you know where your keys are?
It's in my bag right now.
So this is a business that you work for, you drive for this business?
Yeah.
Cool. All right, we don't have a lot of room because of this for our reach tools, so we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't pull this off.
I've been driving this thing for almost 3 years. I've never... Just one of them days.
I hear you, buddy. I don't see it working. Hopefully we have enough room here. There you are.